is probably the dominant theme for today and for this week, and if the isobars are close together, the white lines, it will stay that way. Well, let me take you ahead 3 or 4 days. They stay just as close together. To some degree they even get tighter, particularly Friday, which could well be a stormy day in Scotland. But if you wait till the weekend, they disappear. Pressure rises, it's a high pressure area, and it looks like quite a nice weekend. But the wind itself, though cold now, if it changes direction, could actually change things quite considerably, and it will do that by Wednesday and certainly throughout Thursday. They've become orange arrows, indicating the source is somewhere other than the North Pole, our current source. It's actually the tropical Atlantic, so you'd expect it to warm up. And warm up it will, by, let's say, 2 or 3 degrees. I know it's not substantial, clearly isn't tropical, but it will be noticeable for most of us. Even now, with the winds dying down, they're only gale force over Cairngorm and the Northern Isles, and the showers dying back in Scotland, the sunshine, if you're in the shelter, does feel pretty good. And as I've suggested, that sunshine exists and has done all morning through a good part of northern England and East Anglia. Where it is cloudy, there are certainly areas of rain, rather less than was the case around dawn, but they're still there. And they're more or less in stripes. For example, if you're standing in Bristol, you might well get wet for 20 minutes, then as the showers run south, the sun comes out for 20 minutes, and the same thing happens again. That's going to happen throughout southern England and Wales this afternoon. Temperatures much the same as yesterday, a bit higher maybe, the wind a little bit less for some, not a very good afternoon. A touch of frost tonight in the northeast, yes, that's possible, but look at the warmth left in Ireland and the southwest. The first batch of this potentially tropical air is coming in. Basically, it's just cloudy and damp and grey, and that's how it'll start in Northern Ireland, Northern England, the Midlands. But if the sun gets through, that'll be fine. In Scotland, it'll be yet again near gale force winds with sunshine and showers. But in southern England, it's a different story. Once that sun comes out, and it will do, in contrast, let's say in the south of Cornwall, but not in the rather grey northern coast, then it'll be fairly warm. And the sunshine should extend to other counties in southern England, lifting temperatures tomorrow to maybe 18 Celsius. Anna.